Hey guys, welcome back to Jarvis since 2016. In this video, we are going to see about Bournemouth versus Southampton match in the English Premier League. This match is going to held on Validity Stadium, the home ground of Bournemouth, and the kickoff will be at 6:30 p.m. and the date will be 19 July 2020, that is today. When we see the recent performance of Bournemouth, they are average only loss win draw loss, but in their home they have two draws, one win and two loss in their last five matches. When we see Southampton, they are really good form. Overall they have draw win loss, and in away they have two wins, two draws and one loss. When we came to team preview about Bournemouth, Eddie Howe will be out, I think, and Adam Smith is also doubtful today. When we came to probable lineup, Callum Wilson will be the striker, Junior and Joshua King will be their wingers, Jefferson Lerma will be their defensive midfielder, Jack and Diego Rica is their right back and left back. Steve Cook and Kelly will be their centre back. Diego Rica will be an important and punt player in this match. When we came to player analysis, the most goals is scored by Callum Wilson. He has scored 8 goals, and he is followed by Harry Wilson. He has scored 7 goals, and then it's Joshua King. He has scored 5 goals. When we came to assist, Ryan Fraser, who is out in this match, has scored 8 goals. And the important defender, as I told, Diego Rica, the right back, has 6 assists, and Joshua King has 4 assists. The penalty taker will be Joshua King, so he will be a must and important pick. You can also use him as captain or vice captain in both GL and SL. Free kick taker will be Harry Wilson and Ryan Fraser. Guys, these stats are very important because free kick takers can give assist points and they can also score a goal also. Most passes per game, Nathan Aki and Steve Cook. Nathan Aki is out, I think. So Steve Cook has 36 passing points, so he can give more than 2 points in passing. Must pick for SL from Bournemouth is Callum Wilson and Joshua King, Diego Rica. These three players don't miss in your both SL and GL team. Guys, our final team will be in the Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in description. So join our channel to get free teams. Okay. When we came to news about Southampton, Kyle Walker can return to its position right back, and then Jack Stevens may also come in place of Janik Westgard. When we came to probable lineup, Danny Ings and Che Adams will be their strikers. Northam Renmad and Stuart Armstrong will be their wingers. Then Kyle Walker Peter, he is an important player. He is playing right back. Ryan Bettenhart will playing in left back. Jake Stevens and Jan will be their centre backs. When we came to player analysis, most goal is scored by the one and only Danny Ings, followed by James Ward. He has scored 5 goals and he is must pick for every GL and SL team because I will tell. And then Stuart Armstrong has also scored 5 as goals, and he has very good assist potential, and he is must pick in this match. When we came to most assists, James Ward, as I told, he is an important player. He has assist 3 assists. Northam Renmod, he is an highly underrated player. He You can make him as a captain in your GL team. Stuart Armstrong, and penalty taker will be one and only James Ward, and free kick taker is also James Ward. So you can must try him as a captain or vice captain in your team. When we came to most passes, Emily is not playing this match, and here also James Ward, 34 passes. Must pick for SL will be Danny Ings, James Ward, Stuart Armstrong. Northern Renmond is also a very good pick for GL. Must try him as a captain or vice captain in your GL teams. Okay, guys, thank you for watching our video. I'll make a team for a small league, but final team will be in Telegram channel. So join. In striker position, Danny Ings, Joshua King and Gary Wilson I am picking. Che Adams is also a good pick. You can try him in your GL. In midfielder I am picking James Ward. As you know, he is the penalty taker, free kick taker, so he is must pick. Stuart Armstrong I am picking. Renmond is a must pick in GL, but I am dropping him. Instead of him, I am picking Junior Stencils. Then in Diego Rica, I am picking Bettenhard. I am picking Cook, and Aki is out for this match. I think both teams will score a goal. I am picking Southampton McCarthy. So in 8.5 credit, I am picking Stephens. Kyle Walker Peter. I am picking Kyle Walker Peter, and my captain will be Danny Ings, and vice captain will be James Ward. Is also a good option. Gary Wilson is also a good option, and highly underrated Joshua King is also a good option. This will be my final team as of now, but final team will be updated in my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description, so please join and win big. Thanks for watching.